Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and this is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. With almost every phone looking like an iPhone 10 ripoff these days, the Mi Mix 2S is a breath of fresh air. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S is made out of ceramic, encased in an aluminum frame and an edge-to-edge display. Holding the phone, it feels luxurious in the hand. The Mi Mix 2S retains the same form factor as its predecessor with subtle differences that scores high on ergonomics. Hardly anything has changed on the front fascia of the phone though. The Mi Mix 2S has a 5.99-inch IPS LCD panel with a full HD Plus resolution that isn't exactly bezel-less. There's a thin border around the edges and a thick lower lip which houses the front camera. But while the Mi Mix 2S is markedly different from the iPhone 10 from the front, all that is undone when you turn it around. The vertical dual camera placed on the top left corner resembles the iPhone 10 design entirely. The Mi Mix 2S is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset combined with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, making this one of the most powerful flagships around. The impressive hardware underneath is combined with the latest MIUI 9.5, but unlike the older Xiaomi phones, the MIUI 9.5 on the Mix 2S is based on Android 8.0 Oreo. Xiaomi has gone for a standard 12-megapixel wide angle and another 12-megapixel telephoto lens. It's too early to comment on the camera's performance and you'll have to wait for our review for that. On the front, you get a 5-megapixel shooter located weirdly at the bottom. Summing up, the Mi Mix 2S definitely feels like a luxury product just like its older siblings, but this time around the phone packs some serious firepower and a much better camera. Thank you for watching this video guys, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to Digit.in.